Hey friends! Today we are looking at the best roof racks designed to maximize your vehicle's cargo and storage capacity. In this video, we're taking a look at the best roof racks for extra storage space in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Felicvalo lockable roof rack. These crossbars serve as a perfect upgrade for 2018 to 2025 Volvo XC60 models featuring flush side rails, offering a flawless, secure fit and exceptional performance. Constructed entirely from premium aluminum, these bars are both lightweight and incredibly strong, easily supporting up to 220 pounds of cargo, from heavy roof boxes and bikes to kayaks and snow skis. The built-in locking system provides extra security, ensuring your valuable gear stays perfectly safe whether you are driving or parked overnight. Designed specifically with aerodynamics in mind, the sleek black bars drastically reduce wind noise, delivering a much quieter and smoother highway ride. With an additional 4 inches of clearance above the roof rails, they comfortably allow your sunroof to operate freely without any obstruction. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and family travelers alike, they expand your vehicle's cargo capacity with both style and absolute confidence. Backed by a 12-month warranty and highly responsive customer support, they combine strength, safety, and ultimate convenience. Next up, our second product, the Wild Explorer Rooftop Cargo Carrier. This upgraded 2026 roof cargo bag sets a significantly higher standard for travel convenience and ultimate weather protection. Extensively reinforced with ultra-durable 600D military-grade polyester, heat-welded seams, heavy-duty SBS zippers, and Duraflex buckles, it reliably keeps your belongings completely dry and secure through pouring rain, snow, and rough driving weather. The patented door hook system ensures quick, completely rack-free installation on the majority of 4-door vehicles, while an anti-slip mat and Velcro-secured straps guarantee a stable, noise-free ride. Measuring 47 by 36 by 20 inches, it offers a generous 19 cubic feet of extra storage, perfectly sized for family road trips, camping, or extensive vacations. Thoughtful design features like a double-coated waterproof fabric, massive storm flaps, and protective padding safeguard both your gear and your car's delicate paint finish. The comprehensive package includes extra straps, a storage bag, and a 1-year warranty for total confidence on the open road, making packing effortless. Coming in at number 3, the WeEyes Heavy-Duty Roof Rack. This cargo rack presents a highly rugged and practical solution for maximizing your vehicle's exterior storage space. Measuring 54 by 34 by 6 inches, it offers flexible sizing options, allowing you to assemble it at either a 35-inch or 54-inch length, and includes a durable waterproof cargo bag, a heavy-duty cargo net, and sturdy tie-down straps, providing everything needed for secure travel. Constructed from lightweight yet robust tubular steel, this premium roof rack easily supports up to 200 pounds of gear, making it ideal for cross-country road trips, camping excursions, or moving bulky items. Its sleek front fairing actively reduces wind drag and annoying noise, while a rust-resistant black powder coating ensures phenomenal long-lasting durability against the elements. Installation is delightfully simple, featuring a 4-section welded frame and universal U-bolts for straightforward mounting on most standard crossbars. Designed flawlessly for SUVs, pickups, and MPVs, it delivers reliable strength without compromising on style. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Sailnovo Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. This 1000D PVC rooftop cargo carrier serves as an absolute game-changer for long road trips and massive family adventures. Constructed using military-grade PVC and precision-sealed seams, it is completely waterproof and incredibly tear-proof, guaranteeing your gear stays bone-dry even in torrential highway rain. Its smart aerodynamic design cuts wind drag by an impressive 30, noticeably minimizing cabin noise and improving your overall fuel efficiency, while a sloped top efficiently prevents water buildup. Offering a massive 21 cubic feet of exterior storage, it effortlessly fits luggage for up to 8 people, making it perfect for camping, moving, or extensive road trips. Absolute safety and stability are ensured by an included anti-slip mat alongside 10 reinforced straps that lock the bag down tight, even on extremely bumpy terrain. Compatible with virtually any vehicle, whether you have a roof rack or not, it installs in mere minutes and folds away neatly into a compact storage bag when not actively in use. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the 5 clems cubic car rooftop cargo carrier roof bag. This dependable, high-capacity cargo solution is brilliantly built to prioritize both safety and total travel convenience. Equipped with 10 heavily reinforced adjustable straps and a complementary anti-slip mat, it stays perfectly anchored and secure even at highway speeds or on extremely rough roads, meaning absolutely no slipping, scratching, or dangerous shifting. For added peace of mind, an integrated security lock helps deter theft whenever you leave your vehicle parked. Offering an impressive 21 cubic feet of storage, measuring 52 by 40 by 18 inches, it effortlessly swallows 6 to 8 large suitcases, bulky tents, and sleeping bags, dramatically freeing up valuable legroom inside your car. Manufactured from ultra-durable 700D PVC featuring a double-layered waterproof design and heat-sealed seams, it provides exceptional weather resistance to protect your belongings. Installation is wonderfully simple, fitting most cars, trucks, and SUVs, with or without existing roof racks, by utilizing the included secure door hooks. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.